I recently made a video where I showed how to install an Exotek slipper clutch eliminator kit into a Traxxas Rustler. The kit can be used in the Slash or the Bandit or any of the different Traxxas two-wheel drive cars, but it allows you to run the stock Traxxas spur gear, or in this case I have a hot racing spur gear in here. Anything that uses the stock spur gear mounting holes and run a slipper clutch eliminator kit. So with this setup, with the stock power system, stock motor and ESC, this Rustler went 84 miles an hour. But to take it to the next level, I'm going to need even taller gearing, like I run in my 100 mile an hour plus Traxxas Bandit. In this car, I use Kimbrough spur gears. These spur gears come in not only 48 pitch, but also 32 pitch gears, and there's a lot of different options. They're very durable, and they line up with this Exotek slipper clutch eliminator kit. It's the kit 1940. And the one that runs the stock Traxxas gears is the 1939 kit. So what I'm going to do is a quick installation video on how to get the different slipper clutch eliminator kit in here that allows you to run the Exotek gears. And I'm going to take this from 84 miles an hour, hopefully up to 90 miles an hour or so on the stock power system. And then we're going to swap in a different power system and hopefully get this well above 100 miles an hour as well. This is going to be a budget build, and I'm trying to get it up to 100 miles an hour for around $100 in modifications. So don't miss those videos where I transform this truck into a cheap speedrunner. So the installation of this kit is really straightforward. In the Exotek slipper clutch eliminator kit, it just comes with the slipper clutch eliminator unit right here. So all you have to do is mount one of these Kimbrough spur gears on it using 3 screws. So you just line it up like that. I'm going to go ahead and put in a 44 tooth Kimbrough spur gear, this one here, but they have sizes anywhere from 44 teeth up to 70 plus teeth in 32 pitch. And these 32 pitch gears are significantly stronger than the stock 48 pitch gears. So I prefer the 32 pitch gears for speed running. So what we're going to do to install this kit is we're just going to go ahead and undo this nut here and remove this hot racing spur gear. So to do that, I'm just going to use my RC nut driver here that came with one of my cars and simply unscrew this. And then I'm going to go ahead and slide the slipper clutch eliminator kit with a stock type slipper unit. And as you can see here, it has the mounting point for the pin that comes on the stock slipper shaft. So all I'm going to do now is take the kit 1940 slipper eliminator, and I'm going to find a 44 tooth spur gear. I'm just going to use this new one here. And then you put the slipper clutch eliminator through the new spur gear. I'm going to line up the holes here and install the 3 screws that are included with the kit. All right, and now that that's snugged up, it's just going to simply align the slot and the slipper eliminator with the pin on the shaft, and then go ahead and tighten the nut back down that I previously removed. And then the final step is I'm just going to remove this 48 pitch pinion gear, and I'm going to go ahead and install a 31 tooth pinion gear. It's 32 pitch. This one here, of course, is 48. Now again, you can run 48 pitch gears here if you prefer. Kimbrough makes gears in 48 pitch as well. But I prefer 32 pitch just for the added strength, and it's easier to set the mesh. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just install a little bit of thread locker on the grub screw. I almost forgot to mention, I did have to add a 3.175 millimeter to 5 millimeter adapter to fit this 32 pitch gear that has a 5 millimeter diameter bore in it onto the 3.175 millimeter Berlinian motor. I'll put a link in the video description where you can get it. And then I went ahead and cinched that up once I lined it up with the spur gear. And the last step is just to go ahead and set the gear mesh. And there we go. The gear mesh is set perfectly. Super easy to do with these 32 pitch gears. As simple as that. Please subscribe and look for future speed runs with this Traxxas Rustler. And we're gonna go ahead and max out the stock power system and then move on and get it well past 100 miles an hour. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.